Picture this. An agent picks up a live chat that's already been triaged, picks up right where a phone call left off, lets a workflow route the approval automatically, closes the ticket once it's cleared, and glances at a dashboard for the bigger picture, all without leaving their help desk. With the HappyFox product suite, you can bring in alongside it to create a unified support ecosystem beyond the help desk. Assist AI provides instant support by answering employee questions on platforms like Slack and Teams. HappyFox Business Intelligence, BI, transforms integrated product data into actionable insights through custom reports and dashboards. Workflows help build complex multi-step automations for processes like cross-departmental approval requests with no-code workflows. Chatbot automates initial customer queries to handle common questions with AI-driven responses. Next, manage phone support efficiently with the contact center, automatically logging calls and recordings within the customer's ticket history. Autopilot employs specialized AI agents to tackle routine tasks like merging duplicate tickets or standardizing subject lines. From answering questions, surfacing insights, and automating the routine work, to logging every call, the HappyFox product suite turns your help desk into a complete support platform. If you need more help, click on Support to chat, submit a ticket, or read our knowledge base articles. You can also visit HappyFox University for more videos like this one.